Guanajuato Silver, we produce gold. And that's the kind of buck they're looking for these days. That's a line from a movie, one of my favorite movies. And what I'm going to do is the first person that meets me at my booth and can tell me where that line comes from, I'm going to give you a 1 ounce silver coin. I want you to give me the name of the movie, the year, and a little bit of the scene that was happening. So I know it's a little bit of effort, but it's worth it. For the rest of you, I hope that you'll visit our bullion store. We've got great products there. So what I thought I'd do is I've got 10 minutes and everyone likes a good list. I'm going to give you 10 reasons to own Guanajuato Silver right now. And the first one is really just who we are. We are a producer of silver and gold. And at this incredible moment in the markets where the precious metals are running, I know it's volatile, but we've built this company for this moment. We believe we're right time, right place. We produce silver and gold from 5 mines in central Mexico, and we're growing. We're growing through increased throughput through our mills, increased production, and we're growing through acquisitions. This is our latest acquisition. This just happened in January of this year. This is the Bolañitos mine. It's now our largest mine. So if you're looking for a precious metal, a growing precious metal producer with a silver focus, then we need to be on your list. And it's going to be a very short list. Second reason is that you really haven't missed much with Guanajuato Silver. I think that people come to conferences like this. Maybe you're well, obviously you're here to hear what Peter has to say, but you're looking to find something new, maybe get into something early. If a company has silver in its name, it's run to some degree, but I would argue that Guanajuato Silver has not moved as per our peer group. What's our peer group? Every other precious metal producer on the planet. We've not had a similar jump up, and in some ways it's justified. So as for the last reporting quarter, which would be Q3 of last year, which seems like a long time ago now, we had not demonstrated to the market that all of our mines were fully profitable. We have 5 mines. Most of them are restarts. It's taken a lot of effort to get them to the stage they're at right now. But now, here today, when we cross this threshold and demonstrate the kind of cash flows that you would expect in a market like this one, I believe we're going to be rewarded in the market. That's the market opportunity with Guanajuato Silver. And one of the reasons I know we'll be rewarded in the market is because I know the market's following Guanajuato Silver. We are the #1 volume trader on the TSX Venture Exchange. Across all industries, no other company trades more volume than Guanajuato Silver. Fourth reason is we produce silver and gold. I will argue that, Peter's probably mentioned many times that most of the silver mine today is mined as a byproduct. I see this all the time, most silver companies, in fact, are really base metal companies in disguise. So you'll see press releases talking about great intercepts that are quoted in silver equivalent ounces. But when you crunch the math, it's maybe 20% silver, the rest are base metals. We, as a group here, we could open up a sheep farm. We could report the value of the flock in silver equivalent ounces. It's just a ratio. And it's one of the ways that junior mining companies confuse you. There's no confusion with Guanajuato Silver. We are a genuine producer of precious metals. This is the consolidated production from all of the mines currently in our production in our portfolio from 2025. So you see 1.8 million ounces of silver and 25,000 ounces of gold. Those are the numbers we're looking to beat in 2026. So again, if you're looking for a genuine precious metal producer with a silver focus, we need to be on your list. Fifth reason is we are consolidating the Guanajuato mining camp. This is one of the most storied mining camps in all of silver history. We came to the camp in 2020, recognized that there was an opportunity for consolidation. If you're just looking at the geography of the camp itself, there's a city in the middle. It's called Guanajuato. Surrounding this city are several past and present producing mines. Again, we've been consolidating this camp successfully for the past 5 years. You see our latest consolidation, Bolañitos there in blue. Today, there's only 2 players left in the camp. There's ourselves and Fresnillo, which is the largest silver producer on the planet. That's a look at the city of Guanajuato. Beautiful colonial city, well worth the visit. We mine those hills that you see in the background there. All of our mines are underground mines. And if you come down for that visit, you can visit our museum. We own a museum. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. And I always like to just throw this up there just to highlight how long these mines have been running. Valenciana, for example, has been running for over 450 years. All of the mines in the Guanajuato mining camp are very long-lived. Sixth reason to own Guanajuato Silver is that we have abundant capacity in all of our mills. So we are operating 3 mills today. You can see the utilization rates here. There's significant capacity in all 3, and this will be one of the ways that we'll look to augment or increase production in 2026 by increasing throughput. It's not just production with Guanajuato Silver. We have a genuine development project. It's called Pinguico. It's about 5 kilometers to the south of the city. It has a very interesting story. In the early 1900s, this would have been the highest grade silver mine in the area. It was listed on the New York Stock Exchange for a time, and we will look to restart this next year, maybe by the end of the year, but certainly in 2027. So this will likely be the next mine to come online in Mexico. And what we'll do is we'll run material. Again, it's about 5 kilometers to the south of our Cubo mill. We'll run it up there, and I just showed you that there's ample capacity available at Cubo. Eighth reason to own Guanajuato Silver is our chairman and CEO, James Anderson. There he is. So James is a former broker. He owned his own brokerage firm at one time. He's a capital market specialist. He's a deal maker, and he's been very good at finding bargains for Guanajuato Silver. Shareholders always want companies to do good deals. Well, he's been doing them. So in 2021, we bought the Cubo mill and mine from Endeavor Silver. We paid $15 million for this asset. The previous operator had paid $200 million for the same asset. Following year, we bought the former mining assets of a company called Great Panther. 3 mines, Topia, Valenciana, and San Ignacio, for about the same price. About 3 months after we closed this transaction, Great Panther went bankrupt. So our timing was excellent on this transaction. And then I just pointed out at the top, we just bought Bolañitos. This is our largest mine. We bought it from Endeavor Silver. Total consideration here is $50 million. Now, we felt we were paying full value for this asset. I'm sure Endeavor Silver felt the same. But the terms for this deal were done at around $30 silver. So today, at what'd you say? What'd you say?
94 bucks.
At $94, we know we're getting a bargain. So Guanajuato Silver has grown through acquisitions. You can expect that to continue as we move forward. Ninth reason to own Guanajuato Silver, and I'm running out of time, so everything Peter just said. Peter has been making the case for silver for many, many years. He's been proven right on everything he's been saying. His critics and his enemies have been proven totally wrong. It's great to be Peter Kraut these days. And the 10th reason, and with this last point, what I wanted to do was I wanted to give you a practical look into our business. So all of our mines are underground mines. We bring material to the surface, we crush it, we grind it, we move it through a flotation system, skim off the top, and we create a concentrate. And if you're not familiar with concentrate, that's what it looks like. It doesn't look like much, but it's very valuable. Our concentrates run 5,000-6,000 grams per ton silver equivalent. And what we do is we take that concentrate and we put it in the back of a dump truck, a 40-ton truck, and we drive it to our metals trader where we sell it. And it's that transaction that I wanted to share with you today. So let's see. On January 19th, we had a shipment, and a shipment would be at least 1 truck. And we got a spot price stamped of $90.40. On January 31st, $111.12 was the spot price we received for the shipment. So that was a good day. February 12th, $81.92. My point is that we, Guanajuato Silver, are right smack dab in the middle of this precious bull run. We've built the company for this moment. We think we're right time, right place. So on that note, I have somehow a minute left. And what I will do with this minute is I will just say, if you are watching this at home on video, and they put these videos up very quickly, I will let you know that the audience I'm looking at is, first of all, very large. It's actually the largest audience I've ever seen at an MIF. But the audience here is very intelligent looking. But there's a chance that they will not answer the trivia question that I presented at the beginning of my speech. So if you think you know the answer and you're at home, send me an email. I'm happy to send our coin to wherever you are in the world. So again, I'm JJ Jennex. We have a booth right here by the corner. Please come by and say hello.